Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat spaghettini. So making sauce, asparagus, a little bit thin one, and mushroom using bacon. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, 3 liter hot boiling water. 30 grams salt added already. 130 grams spaghettini in. So this one takes about 5-6 minutes. Bacon. Yes. And mushroom. Yellow one is tamagotake. My friend gave it to me from Minami Aizu, Fukushima Prefecture. This one is frozen one, and I'm using shiitake. And Erin mushroom. Asparagus. This. Garlic. Pepper and 1 chopped garlic and anchovy paste a little bit. Like this. And I'm gonna switch. High flame olive oil. Bacon and asparagus. Mushroom. White wine. Let me check pasta, how al dente. This one is pasta boiled juice, already added salt. Little bit boiling down. Then flour, just a little bit. Let me check taste a little bit. Flavor. Olive oil a little bit. Okay, done. Okay, let's start to eat asparagus and mushroom and bacon, spaghettini. いただきます。Oh, good salt flavor with garlic. Good matching asparagus and bacon and mushroom. So this method is very simple. So you can use some small broccoli or some cutting eggplant. Like the same method, same recipe. You can make it. Oh, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.